Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the time format in your laptop running Windows 11. Whether you prefer a 12-hour or 24-hour clock or you want to customize the date and time settings, we have got you covered. So let's start the video. To change the time format on your Windows 11 laptop, right click on the date and time section in the taskbar and then click on adjust date and time from the menu. In the date and time window, scroll down and look for related links section and then click on language and region. Now look for region section and click on regional format to expand it. Click here. Now click on change formats button. Click on short time. If you want to change time to 12-hour format, then select the time options with AM or PM. The first two options are for the 12-hour format, and for the 24-hour format, choose the other two options. As you can see, currently our time is in 12-hour format, so we are going to select 24 hours format. As you can see, the time has been changed to 24 hours format. So that's how to change time format in Windows 11 laptop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more Windows 11 guides.